Thank you. My name is Leigh Reza. I represent the Texas Family Law Foundation. I also represent myself. I'm a board-certified family law attorney. I've been in practice about around 16 years. I oppose the bill. I spoke earlier about no-fault divorce and my opposition to that. And I mentioned that in the UK that they had a fault-based system. So actually, they just in 2020, because they had so many problems with that system, they adopted the Divorce, Dissolution, and Separation Act, and that's supposed to go into effect in 2021. Most countries have a no-fault process that people can go through. And I think if you're considering passing a bill on no fault, you should look at some of the effect that it has happened in the United Kingdom about it. So I do want to talk about subsection B and C. The best interest has been the criteria for who should be the primary, who should have the right to establish primary residence of the child. And that is not who files. It comes down to the Holley factors. And the Holley case was a very important case. Family lawyers follow it, judges follow it. And those factors are the desires of the child, the physical and emotional needs of the child, the emotional and physical danger to the child, the parental ability, stability of the home. So among those factors, being first to file a lawsuit or not being first to file a lawsuit is not one of those factors at all. In fact, there are lots of reasons that people would file for divorce. Not all of those reasons fit into one of the fault categories. Mr. Cook was talking about that before with adultery. You would have to be able to prove the adultery to get fault. Also, you may have a spouse who has severe mental illness, but they haven't been confined in a mental institution. They don't fit into a fault ground, but that could be a very unhealthy relationship to be a part of. It could be dangerous to the children. There's also, if a parent is a drug addict, that doesn't fit into one of the fault grounds either. But there shouldn't be a presumption that the child automatically goes to the parent who has a meth addiction. The other problem with this is that it sets married parents out differently than parents that are not married.
Thank you for your testimony. Members, are there any questions for this witness? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.